The fully diminished seventh chord is a seventh chord composed of a root, a minor third, a diminished fifth, and a diminished seventh over it. For example, the diminished seventh chord built on D, commonly written as D, the degree symbol, and 7, has the pitches D, F, A flat, and C flat. And yes, if you are a pianist, you're probably thinking, C flat is really B. Well, sound-wise, yes, but spelling-wise, no, because D, E, F, G, A, B, C, going to any kind of C, is 7 letter names, so the interval is still a seventh. And in context, the diminished seventh chord is going to sound really dissonant, not like your friendly neighborhood major sixth. One other way you can build a diminished seventh chord is to simply stack minor thirds until you get 4 notes of them. D to F is a minor third, then F to A flat is another minor third, then A flat to C flat is another minor third.